Hello, my name is Poncella and welcome to my channel. Today I've decided to prepare myself a turkey, sausage, and egg and cheese omelet. So to begin, I have spread my griddle with Pam. It is currently preheating. And you can prepare as many eggs as you like. I am only going to use one today. And to that egg, I'm adding Old Bay seasoning and some parsley flakes. Now I am lazy, so I'm using a styrofoam cup and I'm using a fork to gently mix that all together. Once I am satisfied, I'm going to pour the mixture onto my preheated griddle as such. And after it's been poured onto the griddle, it's already starting to cook, but as it's spreading, I don't want it to get to the end of the griddle, so I use the fork to stop that so that it'll start cooking on the edges. So as the egg is cooking, you can see it bubbling up, and then I'm going to go ahead and add, in no particular order, I'm going to add my cheese first. I really like cheese, so it is shredded cheese. It's called Fiesta Blend. So it has a few different cheeses inside that have been shredded. And I am just going to sprinkle that on top of my egg. As such, the more the merrier. So glorious, glorious cheese. Now, the turkey sausage that I use is already pre-cooked, so it's basically just getting it a little heat once I add it. So I have chopped it into little bite sizes, and I will spread that over the egg and cheese in the hopes that each time I get a bite of my omelet, there will also be a bite of the turkey sausage. So once I have covered my egg and cheese, I'm only gonna wait a few seconds. Then I am going to flip that over because the egg has already cooked, so it's just heating up the turkey sausage. And to this, I am going to add, today is picante sauce. Sometimes I use salsa. And I will enjoy this turkey sausage and egg omelet. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share this video, and if it's your desire to subscribe, please do so. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you are aware each time I upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please have a blessed day.